Before the opening bell, futures slightly on the upside after closing in mixed territory yesterday. European markets consolidating. Asian indices closing on the upside, except for China's CSI, all as 62% of S&P 500 constituents traded lower or unchanged yesterday. Now, taking a look at after-hours action, first in the headlines, we have shares of United Airlines gaining ground after hours as first quarter adjusted EPS forecast beat estimates. IBM also in the headlines, downgraded to equal weight from overweight over at Morgan Stanley. And rounding up the headlines, shares of Moderna expected to jump on positive results from a trial of its respiratory syncytial virus RSV vaccine. Now, there's no major earnings expected today, but on the economic docket before the opening bell, we have the combination of U.S. MBA 30-year mortgage rate figures, as well as producer prices, both core and initial, and retail sales figures. Then we have the Red Book, and also before the opening bell, we have the release of both manufacturing production and industrial production figures. That will then be followed by U.S. business inventories at 10 o'clock in the morning and the NAHB Housing Market Index. This afternoon, we have the Fed's Beige Book. Taking a look now at the markets, the S&P 500 is where we begin. Intraday, its support is 39.96. The Nasdaq sees a bullish bias above 11,510, and that's what's in focus. Even though a continuation of the consolidation cannot be ruled out, the extent should be limited. Long positions above 11,510 are favored, with targets at 11,690 and 11,765 in extension. This is while the Dow Jones, that's trading under pressure.